Today, the Supreme Court appeared likely to uphold the Biden administration's regulations on so-called ghost guns. These are homemade weapons that are being used in a growing number of crimes. For more now from CBS's Jan Crawford.
This one is a ghost gun.
They don't look any different.
They're not. They shoot the same rounds. They have the same effect.
Police say untraceable ghost guns made from build-it-yourself kits sold online without background checks or showing proof of age led to an explosion in crime.
It's made it more dangerous for everyone.
Tuesday, the Supreme Court appeared sympathetic, indicating it would sign off on the Biden administration's efforts to regulate them by requiring serial numbers and background checks. In lively arguments, the justices suggested gun parts sold in easy-to-assemble kits are, for all accounts and purposes, a gun.
It's not terribly difficult for someone to do this.
The justices used some creative hypotheticals to explore what it would take for separate gun parts to be considered a lethal weapon.
I want to stick with the definition of weapon. Here's a blank pad, and here's a pen. All right, is this a grocery list?
I don't think that that's a grocery list, but the reason for that is because there are a lot of things you could use those products for to create something other than a grocery list.
Over the past 6 years, police have seen a 1,500% increase in the ghost guns they've recovered, many from teens. 3 years ago, Guy Boyd went from football games and hanging out with friends to fighting for his life.
I don't remember much from that night, but the after effects. I'm a chronic epileptic now because I have a bullet fragment in my brain that causes me to have seizures.
Boyd was shot allegedly by a teenage friend fooling around with a ghost gun he bought online.
I want people to see the effect, see what happens after.
Now, the industry argues that the Biden administration and the ATF, they just don't have the authority to regulate ghost guns under existing laws. They say that's a job for Congress, that Congress should have to pass a new law. But the justices sure seem to think that the ghost guns already are covered by laws we have now. Norah?
Jan Crawford, thank you.